Hello again, friends. This is part 2. I'm gonna do right now some extra cleaning and probably try to get rid of this oxide something. It's not rust. It's just I think it's oxide from the tapes combined with some dust. And finally we have this strange result. I'm just thinking having one of these textile my Dremel. I'm just curious to see how it's working. I don't want to take anything out from here because these are very well done and proper calibrated, and I don't want to mess anything, you know, with the heads, alignment and everything else. You see that rubbish, but it's getting much clearer, you see. Looking good, no problem. Let me clean the axle. Now it's so fine. Just a little play, just a little play. Okay, that's fine. The head feels okay. I don't feel any gap, but I don't know what part is this, because it doesn't look like the ones I saw it on the internet. The eraser head, it's fine. All these brushes are okay. Strings are fine. Yeah, much better. I think this one have a end of tape contact. As long as the tape has a metallic strip. My God, those blacks liquefied belt stuff is still messing around. Okay, that should be fine. Now let me see if I'm going with this guy in here. What kind of belt can I use? Is this enough? Oh man, it's too large. Probably this one. I got the idea of the things. Is it too tight? Yeah, kind of. Let's clean this guy too. Okay. This is a really problem about belts, and this is way too tight. This for a while, at least for trying. This one should be up to this level, because you see down there, this one there, it's a head, so all this should be straight in the head. You see there, careful with this one because the wires are so thin, so you can break them very easy. Okay, I think this is the best positioning. Let me see. I can reach it, but anyway, it's like 2 millimeters, 1.5 millimeter, and this guy, it's like 0.3. All right, so we have to plant this straight in the middle, something like this. Oh yeah, this is a better view. Yeah, straight in the middle. Let me check this head. It's very important to be proper working. Perfect. Let's see. You see, if I'm moving there, there is a change. Let me find. You saw that? Funny. Really nice. Oh, by the way, let me see how many ohms is this head providing. Should be around 100. Yeah, 100. Yeah. I was expecting that. Good. This is fine. So, what's this so oily here? Do I need a washer? Is there any washer? No, that's for the top. There's no other washer. Okay. Okay. For now I can say that we are okay. Why it's moving? Or in fact not moving, but everything is turned up and down. Now it's fine. Okay. Next. Let's add these guys. Beautiful. Alright. As long as I'm here, I can apply a little contact spray to work to the connector. I don't want this tight. That should be perfect. And then we can adjust everything from here. And this wheel should be exactly in the middle of the things like this. It's not good. This is too high. Probably it's the other one. They should be the same or not. No, that's it. Not good, not at all. Okay, let's have this one and just a little bit of play, let's call it. And same story up here. Where is that? Oh. Now I think I'll use this. This one came from the counter. I'll use this for the reel for now. With a little bit of effort, finally we are on the tracks. This is mostly for the dust. It's not exactly for physical. Yeah. Okay. So we have belts. I can even plant this back. I will clean it some other time. Oh, it's not this one. Yep. Counter, we don't need that. Very clever concept, very nice. Well done, Philips. Okay, good to go. Electronic is connected. Oops. Power on. Look there. So this one is working all the time. I got the light. Oh. So the motor is working all the time. That's 19. Kind of noisy, but I know why. That's because of the belt. It's looking like everything is responding well. Oh, I have some old tapes here. I hope they are not so dusty. Yeah, so this one needs to go a little bit higher. Okay, let's do that. So I have to open this guy here. We have a screw, you see, like this, and then I can easily go with the wheel higher. And I think I know what's the problem. This piece here, it's bended. It's bended, so it was like abused or something, and all I have to do is to turn it up again, just like that. And now I can easily adjust the wheel, or the rail in fact. Now it's secured. What about this one? This one is good. It's looking okay. Probably transport, whatever, abused, smashed. Yeah, should be fine for now. What's wrong with you? Okay. It's like Terminator. The machine always wins. Okay. Yeah. Some other life. Now it's good. Okay, in the meantime, I got this cable and I try to get some sound out of this. where I have the outputs, huh? Are those behind? No. Okay. That's because of the belt. Nothing wrong there but the belt. Okay. I'm afraid it's something wrong here. Doesn't feel right. Oh, come on. Not enough cable. Yeah. Of course. Yes, it's working somehow, but I felt some smell a few minutes ago, and I think I have a problem here with one of these wires, or probably now it's fine. I had here a really hot spot, but probably because the motor was trying to rewind, and you see there is no power for that. Look there, there's the one, and it's like 50 degrees or something. Oh yeah, this is really hot. What's here? What is here? There's this piece of wire going to... Oh man, this is proper hot. Okay, I got it. Yeah, something related with the motors struggling to rewind the tape. That's the explanation. But for now, I am absolutely okay. It's working somehow. I can hear what's on the tape. That's very important. A good step to my projects. It's just a very simple device. Nothing fancy. We have these two blocks right here. These are for recording and playback. Nothing else special. So it's very easy to check and so on. But there is something really hot. I have to see what's wrong. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you like it, if you don't like it, push the like button anyway. Push the subscribe, and see you soon with some others. In the meantime, thanks to my sponsors, and until the next one, don't forget, have fun. See you, bye bye.